Hi, it's David with Oklahoma Ham Radio, the YouTube channel, and also oklahomahamradio.com. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe. This is kind of a continuation on the antenna build. I got some stuff from DX Engineering, and I wanted to do a real quick unboxing video just to kind of show what it was that I got. As I've shown, we get some severe winds here in Oklahoma. I still want to be able to tilt the antenna down in some of those situations, maybe to work on the antenna or whatever. And I still eventually want to put in the BigIR that uses ground radials. So I got a few products from DX Engineering, and here's the unboxing. Stick around. So I got a rather heavy box from DX Engineering. All of these parts are for the antenna or to mount the ground radials or secure the ground radials to the ground. I can say that they use some good packing tape with DX Engineering. This box was well packed. It does have a lot of bubble wrap, even though the parts that I ordered would be extremely difficult to damage in shipping. So the first thing I get out of the box is a bracket that's used to hold the poles. There's actually 4 of them. One goes on each, the bottom of each of the poles, being the pole that comes out of the ground for the support, and then also the pole that you are attaching to that pole. This is a plate that I ordered because I was not sure of something here in a little bit that I'll show. But that plate mounts to the pole. Your UHF connectors connect to that, but I ended up not needing that part. Let's see, the next are just some attachments for the ground radials. I ordered 20 extra. There are none of the annoying plastic ends on those. And then those are 20 additional bolts for the, let's see, to mount the ground to the ground radial. So this, these are staples, yard staples. There's 100 per box. They look pretty darn strong, and they do look like they're coated with something to protect them. I end up ordering 4 of those boxes, so 400 stakes. I'll pull those out here in a little bit, but this is the bracket that's used to allow the tilt of the antenna. It was pretty darn heavy. It's made out of, I think, aluminum, but it's pretty thick aluminum. So this is one of the plates. I think it's the smaller of the 2. And here in a second I'll pull out the other, but it does look great. It may even be stainless steel. I think it's actually stainless steel, but it's pretty darn strong. So one of your poles would attach to this, and the other one attaches to the other plate. And I show kind of how the hinge works, but that's the attachment screws that are needed to build the hinge on there and secure the mast vertical when you need to secure it. So this is the part that would attach to the pole. There's an instruction sheet that comes with it, and this piece attaches to the pole, and this other piece, when you raise the antenna, they fit together and support the antenna in an upright position. If you need to lower it, you unscrew a couple screws at the top, and then you lower it. I believe it actually may slide up and then allow you to pivot. I think it actually does that, but I haven't looked at it yet to find out in depth. So some more bubble wrap. These are some more staples for the yard. Here I just show that the item number is the same between both of those boxes, so I really don't need to pull those out. So same box, same content, 100 more yard staples. There's 2 more of those in that box that I pull out here in a minute. As I said, this is very well packed in there. So these are more yard stakes. And the next box out is some more yard stakes. So I plan to do a yard stake about every 2.5 feet of the radials that I put out. That should securely fasten it to the ground, allow grass to grow over, so on and so forth. So these are some more of the little rings that you use to build your ground radials. Again, they don't have any of the annoying plastic stuff on them, so that's good. This is the ground plate. The one that I had and showed in previous videos was from eBay, and I just never was really happy with it. So this comes with mounting bolts to mount the radials to the plate. Comes with 20 of them. And then there's the plate. The plate I was extremely happy with. It's pretty darn heavy. But also from the DX Engineering website, I could not tell if it had this bracket that had the UHF connector. You attach your pole and to those other holes, and then you use the UHF. I was really happy and excited to have this. So I can see that DX Engineering definitely packaged the products well. On top of that, they manufactured some really sturdy products that I believe I can use to solve some issues that I have. I'm really pleased with that plate. I'm pleased that that plate did have a place to connect the UHF, SO 239 or whatever connector to, maybe 259, but anyway, place to attach that cable to on the plate itself. So good job. I will show future videos where I'm actually installing this. I don't have time this weekend to do it, and really I'm pretty tired from that tree removal that we did off the front edge of the house a couple days back. We did have some more storms come through last night, about 70-mile-an-hour winds again through the Oklahoma City, and really all of northern Oklahoma is all I watched it go through. Everything held up well with the way that things are, but it's just not real functional for me to be able to lean the antenna over to be able to work on the antenna. So as I get those pieces installed, I'll show additional videos on that. 73s, guys, thank you, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.